Hello. Good morning, teacher. In this video, we are going to compare two natural disasters, which will be an earthquake and tsunami.
And for the tsunami, we will take the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, the most devastating in history.
To compare them, we will take as an example to the earthquake that occurred in Tarapacá in Chile, the 25, which had a magnitude of 7.8 on the seismological moment magnitude scale. Earthquake damage. This earthquake was felt through the entire north grand of Chile, from what is today the region of Arica and Parinacota to the region of Coquimbo. It reached a maximum intensity of 7 degrees on the modified Mercalli scale, causing significant damage to the infrastructure. The most affected areas were the communes of Camiña, Calche, Guará, Pica, Alto Hospicio, Pozo, Almonte, and the city of Iquique. Hundreds of national monuments collapsed. The Pan American highways and roads to the Altiplano were cut. The town of Guara and San Lorenzo de Tarapa were almost completely destroyed. In Pica, strong ground motion acceleration were recorded with record of 0.8 G. However, it is possible that it is due to the side effects, seismic amplification. Since in the other place such signification and acceleration were not recorded. After Pica, the most important acceleration were recorded in Cuya and Pisagua, with record of 0.4 G, as reported by Civil Engineering Department of the University of Chile. The National Emergency Office report says deaths more than 20 injured and 112 victims as a result of the earthquake.
Tsunami damage in the open waters of the ocean, the wave traveled at a speed of the 500 and 1000 km per hour, reaching a maximum height according to satellite data of 60 centimeters in shallow water near the coast. Scientists estimate that the wave range 24 meters in 8 reaching the 33 in some areas where when inland the, the total energy reset by the tsunami wave was equivalent to about 5 megatons worth than double they realized by the Hiroshima and Nagasaki bomb combined.
Current the consequence of the earthquake, inhabitants of the town of Guara and San Lorenzo, who, after losing their heritage, several decided to move to the city of Santiago in search of a new opportunity for a better life to what they could have in the remain of their old home.
Do the origin of the fall affect the earthquake? Not so. The greatest force of the tsunami wave was not direct towards Sumatra but in a westerly direction toward Pan- Pancrates, something that prevents much crater. Current consequence of the tsunami the negative effects of the catastrophe will be felt years later. Among these consequences are the numerous environmental damage caused by the desert. Among them, it is worth men- mentioning the position of fresh water as way to do the infiltration of seawater and the deposition of a layer of salt in the croplands from that be the tsunami which makes them unviable for planting, and this accompanied by the death of soil microorganisms necessary for its recovery. It is also important, though high health, the subject of solid and liquid water industry chemicals, as well as water pollution to the destruction of the sewage system and water treatment treatment plants, which threaten both human health and environment different ecosystems, some of which as fragile as dune system or mangrove forests could take decades to recover.